Subject Maths. Standard 2nd. Hello students, I am Pratima Singh. In this video, we will learn a very interesting topic. Before we begin our new topic, let us count the given objects. Question 1. How many triangles are here? Let us count.
1, 2, 3, 4.
So how many triangles are here?
4 triangles.
Very good. 4 triangles. Let us count how many circles are here.
1, 2, 3.
So how many circles are here?
3 circles.
Very good. 3 circles. Now take 2 pencils in left hand and 1 pencil in right hand. Now count all pencils. So how many pencils are all together?
3 pencils.
Very good. 3 pencils. What did you do in this activity?
We put 2 pencils in one hand and 1 pencil in the other hand, then counted them together.
Very good. So, we are going to learn how to add given objects. Example 1. Count and add the number of objects. So, let us count the apples given below. 1, 2. Let's keep 2 in the mind and count forward 3, 4. So, how many apples are here?
Here are 4 apples.
Very good. Here are 4 apples. Example 2. Here are some roses. Let us count and add 1, 2, 3. Let's keep 3 in mind and count forward 3 steps more. 4, 5, 6. So how many roses are here?
Here are 6 roses.
Very good. Here are 6 roses. Example 3. So, how many cubes are here? Let us count. 1, 2, 3. Let's keep 3 in mind and count forward 2 steps more. That is 4, 5. So how many cubes are here?
Here are 5 cubes.
Very good. Here are 5 cubes. Example 4. Which animal do you see on screen?
Monkeys.
What they are doing?
They all are dancing.
Yes, they all are dancing. So, how many monkeys are here? Let us count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
How many monkeys are here?
Here are 6 monkeys.
Yes, here are 6 monkeys. Now 2 more monkeys come and join them. So, how many monkeys are all together? In this sum, first we keep 6 monkeys in our mind and add 2 more monkeys by counting forward 2 steps more. So we get total 8 monkeys. Children, as you know, all of you like laddus so much. So example number 5, Rohit had 7 laddus and Neeta had 2 laddus. So how many laddus are all together? In this sum, first we will count Rohit's laddu. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we keep 7 in our mind and then we count Neeta's laddus 2 steps more. That is 8, 9. So, how many laddus are all together? In this sum, first we keep 7 laddus in our mind and add 2 more laddus by counting forward 2 steps more. So, we get 9 laddus. Example 6. Here are some chocolates on the screen. Come on, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And tell me, how many chocolates are here? 5. Here are 5 chocolates. Now, 2 more chocolates given by your friend. So, how many chocolates are all together? In this sum, first we keep 5 chocolates in our mind and then add 2 more chocolates by counting forward 2 steps more. That is 5 plus 6, 7. So, how many chocolates are all together?
7 chocolates.
Very good. All together 7 chocolates. Activity time. Count the objects, write the numbers and find the sum. Count and add the dice and write the numbers given in the right side box. Count the sum and circle the correct number. First we will count the first box span. So let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we keep 6 in our mind and counting forward 2 steps more in another box pen, that is 7, 8. So, we are going to circle the correct number 8 in the given option. Rest you will do. Today's homework will be count the objects, write the number and find the sum. Count and add the given objects and write in the box. I hope you enjoyed the lesson very well. Thank you.